Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the new Exploding Kittens card game. Now if you haven't received yours yet and you don't want to know what the super secret surprise is, you probably shouldn't watch this video when I open the first box. Okay, came in this blue box with Exploding Kittens on the outside. And the first thing inside, we have a piece of paper. And it looks like they had it printed with your first name, your last name, and the state that it was shipped to. So everyone's was personalized. Little thank you for buying the card game. Okay, we have this white card inside. It explains what's inside the box, thanking us for making the purchase, and says that they kept their promise on when it was going to be shipped. Okay, next is a blue card. And this talks about the company Black Box, which helps ship out Exploding Kittens. Alright, and here we have our first box. This is the original Exploding Kittens game. This is for ages 7 and up, 2 to 5 players. And it has a magnetic lid. If we open it up, it meows. And that's our super secret surprise. Let's hear it one more time. Okay, and up on top here we have an instruction booklet. We have all the rules to the game. And on the left side here we have the Exploding Kittens deck. Here we can see one card on the back here. It's an attack card for deploy the 1,000-year back hair. And underneath the cards, they have some pictures here to make it look like a litter box. Okay. And then inside the box on the bottom is our second deck. This is the Not Safe for Work edition. Ages 30 and up, 2 to 5 players. And this comes in a box, just a lid lifts off, and it has a rule booklet, probably about the same as the other one. I believe both games are the same. And the cards are split into 2 little piles. And you can see a couple cards there. And these are then meant to be stored in your first box with the magnetic closure. They can sit right there on the right side. So you can keep all your Exploding Kittens in one box. Mix them together for a really big game. Alright, and that is everything in the box. I'm excited to try this game out. Thanks for watching.